Hello everybody, my name is Jarek. Welcome to VIP Auto Group, the car dealership that is located in Clearwater, Florida. Today we have a very beautiful sunny day and I have a big surprise for you. We have a Ford 2010 E250, the handicap van that is equipped with a very special heavy-duty lift. Now there are several ways to open this ramp. I'll show you the most advanced one using just a little magnet that is attached to the key, and all you have to do is come to this taillight at the corner and I'll show you that you can open this big ramp just using this little magnet. So if you're ready, we can start now. You just have to bring this magnet really close to the taillight when it says open, and it's gonna open the main door and the lift's gonna come out. Now you have to remember that you have to keep this magnet all the time. Now as you can see, the ramp is in the halfway done. Now we have to put it down. So I'm putting this magnet to the down, and I'm still holding the magnet. And right now this ramp is fully down and it's ready, and then we can put the wheelchair here, and there's enough space inside, and that's how it works. There's also one remote that is inside. We'll show you that later. So let me use this magnet again to close the ramp. So as you can see, this is a very convenient solution. Now we're gonna go up. Now you have to remember, you have to keep this magnet all the time close to the taillight, constantly. Okay, and now we're gonna close the door. So as you can see, this little magnet can actually control the whole power-operated lift. So now it's time to show you more of this beautiful van. So please stay in touch. Thank you.
So let me catch you. So let me catch you slipping by. Why do I get myself